Hey guys, it's Matt, and here's 5 reasons why I'll never buy a deleted truck or a rebuilt truck. Many horror stories that I have seen from not only deleted trucks but rebuilt trucks, and a lot of people say, especially with the deleted trucks, you do get a lot of benefits with that. You get better performance, you get better fuel mileage and all that. And I have seen that confirmed until you need to take it to a shop. And it could be the same thing with a rebuilt truck. If you got like 1 million miles and they say it was just rebuilt. First of all, a lot of times they literally don't even do the work in the first place. But also, they just could have skipped a couple steps. It's so easy to miss just a couple steps and it'll end up in disaster, and it might not show right away. It might show in the future. Couple examples. I talked to a guy who bought a 92, we'll say Peterbilt with a cat. Everybody wants that cat built motor and everything. Oh man, got a C15. It doesn't have all this electronics on it. Oh, it's so cool. It's been rebuilt. But what they did was they sealed off all the you put silicone around the front cover, I guess, and they sealed off all the oil ports so that the all the gearing to drive the air pump or whatever didn't get lubricated, and the air pump overheated and everything, caused $30,000 worth of damage. So that was as much as he had in the truck, doubled the price of the truck. And now you got a truck with 3 million miles, you got $60,000, $80,000 into it. I've seen countless examples. But it's the same thing with the deleted truck. And that goes on to number 2. Especially with a deleted truck, most reputable shops absolutely will not work on a deleted truck. You're going to have to take it to, a mom and pop shop. You're not gonna. Most Peterbilt dealerships are not going to touch a deleted truck. So you're really limiting yourself into, if you break down in the middle of nowhere, the only place is a Peterbilt dealership right here or whatever, or 800 miles down the road there's the next reputable shop. And one won't take it. That's a $10,000 tow bill or whatever it may be. Holy cow, it'll add up. But the other thing is number 3. A lot of times, so my friend had a deleted truck. It ran great and everything. Had no issues with it until he started getting it rebuilt. Found a shop that would actually rebuild it, and they got into it. And they said, we're kind of at a stopping point. We're kind of at an impasse here. Because, the way they deleted it, we can't rebuild it properly. I don't know the details, but it's a common occurrence, believe it or not. Number 4, and that is the paperwork is completely fraudulent. They completely made up that they rebuilt the engine, that they they rebuilt the engine, that they deleted it and all that, or whatever. They skipped a couple routines. It's basically just all revolving around doing shoddy work and everything. But I've seen a lot of fraudulent paperwork from shops saying that this was rebuilt or this was done or that was done. So definitely be very careful. Maybe have a professional mechanic look at a truck if you're looking to buy a truck, especially a rebuilt one. And number 5 is exclusive to deleted trucks. The whole country is going to be going by the way of California, or at least, taking some things from them. I don't think we're ever going to go backwards with the regulations. And so good luck if you have a deleted truck. Good luck being able to resell it later on, and good luck being able to go into certain states. And you could say, I don't want to go into California, but pretty soon You're not going to be able to go in New York, and you're not going to be able to go into Pennsylvania, and you're not going to be able to, go wherever. And let me tell you what, I've never seen us move back in regulation. And so just look at it to get worse. And I know people think that, oh, these old trucks and all that with the cats and all these deleted trucks are going for pretty pennies because everybody wants them. But we'll see here in the future. Probably only be like local drivers that want them. That aren't under as much scrutiny or stay in a state that has low regulation. Just my opinion on that matter. But that's the 5 reasons I will never ever buy a deleted truck or a rebuilt truck. Period.